Stormy Weather by Debbie Gliory. Pull up the quilt, turn out the light. Dear child, it's time to say goodnight. In darkness black and soft and deep, I'll watch beside you while you sleep. Across the world, in many beds, a million goodnight stories read of frogs and kings and gingerbread. Then lights go out, good nights are said. Then should the ocean roar and rise, and dark clouds race across the skies, I'd hold you tight and close and warm, and keep you safe all through the storm. If thunder tore the night in two, and lightning played a peekaboo, we'd watch the storm pass overhead, then curl up safe and snug in bed. And if that breeze became a gale, with leaves, snap twigs, made branches flail, I'll wrap you safely in my wings and tell you tales of sleepy things. And if it rained 10,000 rains, and torrents swept down streets to drains, we'd build a boat and sail away to where the sun shines bright all day. And if the snow began to fall, flake on flake, piled up miles tall, we'd make a snow for foster bed and go to sleep on that instead. From north to south and east to west, from cave to berg and twig to nest, a sleepy hush across the world, small creatures in their beds are curled. Sweet dreams beneath our sheltering sky, and tides and winds our lullaby. The stars are light, the whole night through shine down so bright on me and you. The end.